So I started that camera. Today is 10/27. Wait. It's come on now. Wake up. It's 10/27, May 16th, 2020. Okay? There we go. So I just want to go and show you all that I've done with this machine, or let's see. So here is okay, so what I want to do is I want to go backwards, alright? I'm going to zero the tape out. It's plugged in. I'm going to take this microphone here and plug it in to the end here, okay? So it's left, and this is right on there, and this is left. It's very important. I get the right ones because this is left, that's right, okay? Now I'm going to make a recording, okay? And I do not have I'll explain that in a moment. Okay, so now that I can see me there, okay, great. So here we go. So okay, so I'm talking to the the left-hand microphone, 16 May 2020. We're using a TDK tape, which has been recorded on, and I'm talking to the left-hand microphone. Okay. Now I'm talking to the right-hand microphone, okay, of the Panasonic RX-5025-LS. Talking to the right-hand microphone using the external microphone. Okay, external microphone on this side, external mic on that side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Got that? Okay, stop the tape. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect these external microphones, and what to do with the wire. Okay, here's the wire. This is my adapter to go to hook up this stereo, hook this up to the on the YouTube video over there. Okay, so I'm doing this, doing that, okay. And then I'm still using, okay, so now this is ready to plug in to that thing over there, but I'm not doing that just yet. Okay, so now I'm going to go hit record. I'm going to talk to the Panasonic LS5025 on the input side. Okay, and as you can see, the meters are going just a little bit there. Okay, the tone is set on high, the balance is right, the volume is at 1 or 2 or thereabouts. It's set on tape, set on normal, set on stereo, and set on FM. Okay? Then I'm going to come over here and talk to the input side, or the tuning knob side, where the main tuning and the fine tuning is. And I'm talking pretty close to the microphone there, and you really can't see anything because I'm blocking the view, but it should be recording on that side over here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the, I don't know, what is this, the left side? This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. I do that enough times. Now I'm talking in the center. I'm going to stop the tape. Hit stop. Okay. Talking in the center of the 5025 LS whatnot. 16 May 2020. Okay. So hit stop. All right. There we go. Now I'm going to take the microphones here and plug them into the camera over here. Okay. And then, so that should be, it's working. Okay, so it's working. It's this microphone, and then that microphone, this, that, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Got that? Okay. So now we're going to rewind this tape here. Okay. Rewind, let's see here. Rewind. That should be far enough. Hit play. We don't have the external microphone on this side. External microphone. No, wait. Rewind again. Let's go to the beginning and just play the whole thing, alright? So, play. Okay, so now. The left hand microphone. 16 May 2020, we're using a TDK tape which has been recorded on, and I'm talking to the left-hand microphone, okay? Now I'm talking to the right-hand microphone, okay, of the Panasonic RX-5025-LS. I'm talking to the right-hand microphone using the external microphone, okay? External microphone on this side, external mic on that side, right, left, right, left, right, left. Got that? Okay, stop the tape. Record. I'm going to talk to the Panasonic LS-5025 on the input side, okay, and as you can see the meters are going just a little bit there, okay. The tone is set on high, the balance is right, the volume is at 1 or 2 or thereabouts. It's set on tape, set on normal, set on stereo, and set on FM. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here and talk to the input or the tuning knob side where the main tuning and the fine tuning is, and I'm talking pretty close to the microphone there and you really can't see anything because I'm blocking the view, but it should be recording on that side over here, okay? So I'm going to go to the, I don't know, what is this, the left side? This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. This should be the left side. This should be the right side. I do that enough times. Now I'm talking in the center. I'm going to stop the tape, hit stop, okay? Talking in the center of the 5025 LS, whatnot, 16 May 2020, okay? So hit stop. And that should be sufficient. Now that I've done all that, let's see here, let me make a, hit the recording, wait, oops, hit the recording buttons, flip it on radio. Alright, so hit stop, rewind, stop, play, recording buttons, flip it on radio. So it records off the radio too, alright? So, and then while I'm at it, just see here. So real quickly, so what is it? FM, it's on FM. It's got long wave, which is here. Wait, put it on radio. This is medium wave, which is AM, okay, so.
I'm getting nervous about.
And then that's short wave. That's short wave, okay, that's short wave. This is long wave, and that's FM. So short wave, medium wave, okay. Long wave, and then FM, okay. So FM,
Vacation.
stereo light. This is loose on this side. It's solid on that side.
It is a pleasure to talk to you. We have invited you here to play a game.
Now,
we're calling.
Turn that off. Now I want to show you one more thing here, okay? A couple more things actually. This is the door that goes to this radio here. It says metal on the front, okay? This one said, they both say Panasonic. This says, doesn't say anything. This says metal on the front, okay? This door is good. This door has been broken, okay? The little part that turns the gear that helps it come out slowly is broke off, okay? But the part where it hits the hinge, or hits the part that rotates, is still there, okay? So I'm going to show you how this goes out, comes in, so on and so forth. Also, I want to briefly see here. I'm using this microphone still. Let me unplug this microphone. There's no longer need to do the left and right stuff. Okay. So now we're back to that. Alright, so what I want to show you is that this came out of that machine, that door, okay? And then this is a Quasar, okay? And this is a very broken model, and anyway, and I just want to show you how the door comes out, right? So you can't see that, can you? So here, let me move this out of the way, put this up here. Okay? For those of you that get one of these models, you get this like this, and then you have to carefully pull it up. Okay, let's see here. There we go. That, no. Okay. Alright, we need the light again. Okay, because these go in a particular way. Alright, so, okay, so now, wrong light. There we go, so now just, yeah. So, there we go, so that goes, you should pull off this side first, okay? So it's, well, okay, I have to do it down here because I can't do it sitting on the table. I'll let you just, there we go. And then you carefully get it off the spring, and there it is, it's out. Okay, so it's out, right? It's out. Alright, now we'll put it back in. You take this side here and you push back, get the spring that pushes it out, which is on this side, and you push that spring in with the door. Okay, you get that in. You push that in first. Okay, you have to push this over here like that, and then once you get it to that point there, and once you get that spring in behind the metal tab, the plastic tab, then you have to find the points where they drop onto, okay, and you snap it back in place. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. That's one, and that's that one, and now the door goes back to working. Okay, so eject, close, eject. Now, I'm going to take this model here, whoops, I'm going to take this model here, take the tape out that I just made the heavy recording with, and put this door in that, like I said, the little thing is broke off. The gears are, and I'm not putting this door on here because that would make it wrong for this model, because this one has metal in there. Alright, so I'm going to put this on here again. Put this is the, that's the spring right there where my finger is. You can't see it, it's inside, but you have to get this, okay, you have to get this beyond that. Alright, I have to take this down and do it. Okay, so you have to get this there like that. And get this on here. Okay. Now that I've got that in place, now it's a matter of lining up the thing to get it over. There we go. Get that on there, and then there it goes, and then it's in place. So now, if you hit eject, it'll flop out. If you close it, this will open and close all day long with a cassette in it. Okay? Okay, so there we go. Eject, open, eject, open, eject, open, eject. Got that, right? And you know, it will play the tape. Let's see here. Play. Well, there's nothing on that tape. Let's see. Rewind. Rewind. 2 or thereabouts. Just set on tape. Set on model. That works fine like that. And that's all I wanted to show you. Okay, so there it is. This has been sold. I wanted to show that the person that buying this wants this only to record with. He doesn't care so much about the radio, so I'm told. Okay, but I wanted to prove to him that it does record left and right, both channels, on the internal microphones, not the external microphones. But we had a conversation the other night, and he wanted, and he mentioned the external microphones. So I thought, well, let me make a video showing the internal microphones working as well as the external microphones, should you plug in your own microphones to make it work. Okay, so there we are. There's that. This is, okay, I don't have batteries in this one, but let me just hold this up to the camera so you can see the model number up close. Alright, that's it. Alright, I've had too much fun. It's been 14 minutes. I'm going to play this back and then upload it to YouTube. Hopefully I've got all the stereo sounds as needed for this particular person who bought this, that wanted a recording boombox to record with using the internal microphones. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Hope I've explained everything. He's getting a deal on this one, and he's a regular customer, although it's been 6 years, but that's all we know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.